Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just came across this interesting platform called Syncfusion. And basically, as far as I understand what it is, it's for big data, like housing big data, housing predictive analytics as a platform using HD Insights, which is, as far as I know, is SQL Server. And it's part of the new package from Microsoft with SQL Server HD Insights. Here's the pricing. Now, there's some online demos I want to show you, and I'm kind of new to this, but this is an interesting platform that has obviously usage somewhat for stock analysis. I'll show you that in a minute. I still can't get that running, but I'll show you some other interesting apps that they have. Okay, so what was I going to show you here? Blah, blah, blah. Man. Oh, yeah, the clients. Now, as far as I know, the clients, let me just see here if I can click on this one. Basically, all the clients include, what I saw was here. Now, don't ask me if, we got here RBS. I saw. What was the other company I saw? Credit Suisse. So some banks seem to be using it now. If I'm not, I saw a quote right here. Consolidated Trading, whoever they are, they're using it for analysis of some kind. So let me show you what I'm leaning towards. Okay, first one. There's a variety of different demos. So this is ASP Web Form Solution, and they have this stock analysis one. So let me just show you the sample of this. I can't make heads or tails out of this. It's no different than what I've seen in the Microsoft. It says that it's analyzing historical stock price and volume data using charts. Well, how's that any different from DevExpress or something like that? There's some more interesting application demos that they have here. Okay, so this one is big data. We all know about big data, but there's some interesting apps here. The first one is, let's say, Twitter. So let's say if you follow Twitter for analysis, maybe sentiment, I don't know. But it's pretty nice looking, that's for sure. It'll give you a breakdown on the region and stuff like that on, I guess, obviously, this is using the latest of Microsoft tools that I've seen of HD Insights. And then you have your number of count and so on and so forth. We'll just leave it at this. So these are different tweets. It'll give you the heat map or the heat score of the countries with the highest amount of activity, I guess, on Twitter using these keywords. And there's these data sets. Dell, again, different regions, the hot spots on Twitter. They're using whatever they're using, and it's doing I'm not sure if it's real-time analysis. That's one app. Okay, another app which I kind of have a better understanding of. This is big data. This one, as far as I know, let me just show you what. So this Stack Overflow one analyzes queries and responses to gain insights on the popularity of different technologies over time. Now, here's the technical. Big data platform production run on HD Insight cluster with 4 nodes. Okay, so let me just see here. Where are we? This one. So basically what I understand it as is you have 4 technologies that are compared. Where is it? We have, I think there was Hadoop, JavaScript, ASP, WPF, all these different terms and their popularity on on Stack Overflow between this period, and here's the people that answered that and questions, and it's pretty snazzy for analytics. Gives you the region and the different, I guess, interaction between the different regions. So resolution time looks pretty cool to me. The people that answer the most. So that's another app. Okay, let me just show you another app here. We did the Twitter, weather data, United States Census. Okay, so that's one use with big data. Now, there's the other big one that's getting hot is predictive analytics. Now, this is basically machine learning. Now, again, I'm not an expert at any of this stuff, but it looks like you have different. Let me just start again. We have here a data set consists of fictional clients who have been audited for each case of an outcome is recorded. Now, let me just show you the different models here. We got regression, different examples, I guess, of different types of employees. Now, this is the interesting thing. You can generate code or I'm not sure if you can interface with it either using C# or R. And the code is this PMML execution engine, which is part of the Syncfusion platform, as far as I can tell. Okay, so you have all these different modeling techniques. We have here a random forest, imports, iris, ozone, different based on different data sets. And where am I going here? Here. So we have random forest, regression, and again, these are all different, as far as I know, machine learning techniques. Support SVM, tree model, excuse me. So it's interesting on what's going on here, and this is some form of a, let me just show you what this is. Data set consists of fictional clients who have been audited, different outcomes recorded, whether taxpayer claims have to be adjusted or not. So we can put in different data set. I don't know, I'm just randomly putting stuff in here, and it gives you a result. Okay, so other than that, consider it a lesson, not very worthy and valuable, but it's quite interesting, this tool. If anybody has a comment or can help me out to understand this, or maybe and get a dialogue based on this. But again, it's called Syncfusion right here. And it's Essential Studio. All right. So I'm hoping people can make heads or tails out of this. I just thought I'd put this out there of what I've just seen on this thing. And again, as I said, you have these machine learning capabilities, so we'll leave it at that. But let me know.